children, you have done something about the Constitution of India, yes or no? India is having a variety of diversities and we celebrate many things in this country, yes or no children? So we call this India as unity in the diversity. What is meant by unity in the diversity? భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వం. ఏంటి భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వం అంటే? Different cultures combined and form unitily as India. Different cultures అంటే see here you can see different kinds of people. అవునా కదా? అటువంటి మన ఇండియాలో there are different religions. We invite them with different cultures. In such a way, Sikhs are also there in this India, and their Guru Nanak. Before 550 years past, there was a Guru named called Guru Nanak. He used to follow some principles. We celebrate some festival for not getting the new clothes, for not celebrating with the friends, and not for enjoying purpose. Every festival has its own principles which we have to follow in our daily life and which we make the best person in our life. In that same way, 550 years past, there was a Guru called Guru Nanak. He established this Sikhism in the country, and from then onwards in India, many people follow the Sikhism. The main principles of this Guruji is oneness. Oneness is nothing but believing in one God and believing in one mantra. That is nothing but the Omkara. What you have done now is nothing but the Omkara. That is means there is no God, nothing. Everything in this world we have to love and we have to give respect to them, to the mother nature, to the human beings, to the animals. This was the main principle of the Guru Nanak Ji. And he also told 3 things, that we have to love the nature, air, water and the earth. See, today we have seen many pollutions nowadays now. But past 550 years below only, Guruji told that we have to worship the air, earth and the water. We should not pollute them. We should pray them and keep safe and clean all these things. Not only these things, the main 3 principles of Guruji was do believe in yourself. మీ మీద మీరు నమ్మకం ఉంచండి. How many of you are doing this? Do believe in yourself. Do you have belief in yourself? Do you believe that you will get a good marks? See, that was the best thing. You have to believe in yourself. That was the one of the principles of the Guru Nanak Ji. And the one more thing is pray your offerings to the God. Always you have to pray your offerings to the God. That is none of the religion. You have to believe, and when you pray, it will happen. And the third thing is do some hard work. The hard work is very, very important. Are you doing? Everybody are doing hard work. Hard work means what is that? Pulling many loads or carrying loads, all these things? No. When you do some work, you have to keep your wholeheartedness on that work and do it successfully. That is nothing but the hard work. I have told you main 3 principles of Guruji. The first one is believe in yourself. What is that? Believe in yourself. The second one is do prayers and give offerings to the God. Are you praying to God? Yes, ma'am. And the third one is do hard work. Are you doing the hard work, children? Yes, ma'am. Very good. See, whenever we follow a religion, the main thing is, again I am telling, that is not for the celebration purpose. The thing is to follow the principles in our life and make our life a healthy being. So, I believe everybody will take something lesson from the Guru Nanak Ji's life and you follow some of his principles and use in your practical life, children.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भय निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच
Sikhism on the is celebrated on the